Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video channel, and today we are inside no game. We are in fucking real life. Just look at this. I hope that everything works out as intended. And as you see right now, I am currently on my scooter. But I am in the making of doing my motorcycle license. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But today's mission is to get this bad boy like clean, because it's very dirty, because it just like stood there around for like 2 years. Oh, it's green actually. That's amazing. And yeah, that's why we are going off for a wash today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first video of this kind. And I actually hope that you don't see my face today, because that would be really unfortunate. But I mean, you see enough of me right now. You see my hands, my arms. I am really nervous right now, and I need to watch out that I don't lose my phone, because those shorts are not very good at keeping stuff in. So yeah, and yeah, that's my shadow. That's cool. Dude, I can just talk to you guys. It's like not a gaming video. It's like fucking real life. If I want to, I could touch there's some grass. But I don't want to. I don't want to touch grass. That's crazy good. And I hope that the recording and my audio recording is going. That would be really helpful if it does. When it's not doing that, I'm a little bit worried about the video and everything, but surely this won't happen. Oh yeah, and this is just a 50cc mofa thing, scooter. I don't know how you want to call it, but it's not fast. This is top speed right now. Top speed. I don't like it personally, but here we are. Here we are. Dude, it's super hot. Oh my god. It's like 30 degrees and the sun is burning. Really burning right now. Alright. Ooh, 30, 60, wait, not 60. I can't go 60 with it. I meant 36, but now we are almost at 50. Top speed, baby. And there we are. Top speed, woo! Sometimes it'll show 51, I don't know why, but yeah. Then it just goes back to 50, and when I put more gas to it, it doesn't do anything. It's regulated by some computer, I think. But yeah, I can just talk to you. How are you all doing? Dude. Again, a red traffic light. But yeah, for me, I am doing absolutely fine. I hope that everything works out with the thing here, the GoPro. I don't know what I could talk about. It's like I have so many options, but at the same time, I am really nervous about it, because this is the first vlog. How you like? What do you want to call it? I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. Nervous, and I hope that I don't mess up the sync between like the videos. Oh, clap, dude. Let's go. There is someone behind me actually. Oh, like it. So let's go on the side here. This traffic light, I hate it. It's like when you're going too fast, or for me in this case, it can't scan me, it can't see how fast I'm going. And then I'm like right in front of it, I can't go faster. I'm going the speed limit. And then just go, oh no, I'm turning red because you're too fast. Because it couldn't scan me. Like, oh, crazy. I need to lean in because of the winds, and I don't want to lose so much speed right now. Oh, 50! Let's go! 50! Well, look at how beautiful it is, dude! Oh yeah, but what I can talk about is that I recently did like an oil change and everything else changed on this scooter, but the e-starter isn't working. So every time I have to pray that the Kickstarter will go. It's not as easy as it is on this scooter. I don't know why, but it's really hard Sometimes. Also, all the electronics here aren't working anymore. I can push it as much as I want. It does not react anymore. Might be due to the water, because this scooter is actually standing outside in every weather. This is why the mirror is like fucked up. I don't know. It's just what it is. Over there's a car coming, and he's going to overtake me. Or is he? No, wait, what? He's waiting. Alright, that's insane, dude. Okay, now he is. I'm getting slow. I'm getting really slow. Just look at the field, dude. It's amazing. I love the countryside view here, dude. And it's going uphill again. Oh no. I'm losing everything. Okay, let me look when this truck is gone. Bye. Oh, wait. Just take in that view, ladies and gentlemen. There are like many bugs today in the air. They're hitting me. It's not really comfortable. Dude, top speed of 51 going downhill. Let's go. Actually, it takes a while to get here with the scooter. With the car, I would be there already. My scooter isn't sounding healthy. Oh no. Let's go in between here, and now we are here on the standby line, so we don't annoy anyone. Oh, I need to stretch. Dude, oh no, there's still construction off. So we have to take another way. Alright. And I don't I'm a little bit scared that I missed the exit. But it's right there at the sign. You I need to watch out for those things in the ground. They're really heavy here. Like these drops. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a car waiting in line. Oh no. Now that we are inside a washing thing, and now prepare yourself for a nice washing montage, yeah? Why is there no, oh, there it is. Oh, yes. Oh, damn. Oh, nice. Come alive for the... I missed my key in there. Oh, no. No. Dude. Ugh. Oh. Well. Okay, it's gone. Finally. Yeah. Let's just wait for it to dry, and then we can go home again. And this key is still wet. I don't like it. Actually, you know what? I'm too lazy to wait. So, we're going off. Okay, now watch what I mean. I need to pray. Here for the thing to click or make sound. And now I can kick. Hopefully. Oh. It's on. Oh my god. Amazing. My ass is getting really wet. Oh my god. I should have waited there just for a bit more. But it's okay. But ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this little off video on my channel. Hopefully there is more to come in the future. When I own a bike, or with that even somewhat crazy, I don't know. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And ooh, there's like a little staircase here. Yeah, when the camera dies on me, that's why I'm saying goodbye. But if the camera isn't going to die right now, then you will probably still hear me and watch me hopefully not fall. That would be really unnecessary. The sun is really not in a good spot right now. I need to admit that. There's this, that. Let's go. Directly go in this little spot for me, actually. I have my own lane. Actually, what do you think of scooters and everything when you're still watching? I mean, we would probably. I don't know. Probably nobody, but if you're still here, what is your opinion on the scooter? Not on this particular model, but on scooters like in general. I think they are good for practice, like practicing this corner thing and everything, but and they're good in the city, but for nothing more actually. That's it for the pros of it. For the cons, I feel least. You can't go fast when you're going like over the countryside. You always have to be aware of what's behind you. I mean, that's like always the case, but on this thing you need eyes everywhere, so you don't get run over and you are not safe on this. Yeah, that's probably it for now, what I can think about.